finding sum to n natural numbers. So here we are going to find the sum of n natural numbers, say in an advanced level. So here the least natural number is of 1, and the set of natural numbers will be given by means of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So here we have to find out the sum of those n natural numbers. If the number of terms, that is number of natural numbers in the set is of n. So here the set of n natural numbers is given by, so here this is the set brackets consisting the numbers that has least natural number is of 1 and the next immediate consecutive, that is the succeeding natural number is of 2, then 3, 4, 5 dash dash. So here when we suppose natural number set consists of n natural numbers, then the last, that is the number, will be of n. Then now let us suppose Sn be the sum of n natural numbers. So here we have supposed Sn, S stands for the sum, the summation of n natural numbers, then it is given by means of, then we have, so here Sn is the sum of n natural numbers, then Sn, that is the sum of n natural numbers, is given by means of natural number set is of 1, 2, 3 up to n. So we have to find out the sum. So here sum is nothing but the addition of these natural numbers, or in other words n natural numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dash dash up to plus n natural numbers. So here plus indicates the sum of n natural numbers, so it will be given, it is given by means of S of n. Whereas in it, so here I want to suppose the first term as 1, the second term as 2, third term as 3 and fourth term as 4 and so on. So here when I suppose the first term, that is generally denoted by means of a, is equals to 1, so here I want to find out the difference of the two consecutive, that is t1 and t2, similarly t2 and t3 and t3 and t4. So in this manner I got first of all the a value as 1, then the next logical step will be of difference. Diff indicates difference of terms, two consecutive terms t1 and as well as t2. Similarly t2 and t3 is given by, say in the first case t1 and difference of t1 and t2 is given by means of t2 minus t1. The difference is of t2, the second term as per the sequence, second term is of 2, third term is of 3, fourth term is of 4 and the first term is of 1. So here the second term is of 2 minus first term is of 1, then 2 minus 1 is of 1. At the same time, similarly the difference of t2 and t3, that is given by means of t3 minus t2 is equals to, third term is of 3 as per the sequence, second term is of 2, 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So when we observe these two conditions, so the difference of t2 minus t1 and as well as t3 minus t2 is same, which is equals to 1. So here therefore we can write it as t2 minus t1 is equals to t3 minus t2 is equals to 1, or same, similar. So here hence the sequence or the sum of n natural numbers is in arithmetic progression. So here the difference, common difference is denoted by means of d is equals to t2 minus t1, which is equals to t2 minus t1 is equals to 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So in this manner I got the common difference d, the common difference is equals to 1. So in this manner I got the d value as 1. So here a is of 1, and the common difference d is also of 1. Then now since we are going to find out, say here Sn indicates, but as per the problem, say S of n is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash dash up to n. So here let us find out the sum of n terms, but here we know that, so sum of n terms is equals to, the formula is of n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula in order to find out the sum of n terms. Then it can be given by means of S of n is equals to, so here n by 2. So here let us write n is unknown, we can write it as n by 2 into 2a, 2 into a value is of 1 and d value is also of 1. So here by substituting these two values, we can get it as a as 1 plus n minus 1 into d is also of 1, bracket close. Then that implies n by 2 into 2 ones is of 2 plus n minus 1 ones is of n minus 1. That implies n by 2 into positive n, I want to write it as first of all, then 2 is of positive and 1 is of negative, these two are of like terms. So here plus into minus is of minus, let us subtract greater minus least, 2 minus 1 is of 1. So here to assess the sign of 1 here, 2 is greater than 1, 2 sign is of positive, we will be getting it as positive. So here in this manner I got S of n, sum of n natural numbers is given by means of, so n into n plus 1 overall divided by 2. So here, sum of, therefore sum of n natural numbers or summation, both gives the same meaning, summation of n natural numbers is denoted by sigma n. So here the symbol indicates the sigma. So here hence sum of n natural numbers can also be written as sigma n, whose value is of n into n plus 1 overall divided by 2. So in this manner, so we got, so yeah, therefore sum of n natural numbers, that is sigma n, is equals to n into n plus 1 overall divided by 2. So here note, sigma 1 will be of n. So here sigma 1 value will be of 1. So here this is the sum of sigma n is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 is nothing but the sum of n natural numbers. So in this manner, so we got the sum of n natural numbers, that is sigma n is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2, and whereas sigma 1 will be always equals to 1.